second annual Pluralsight Live. With Role IQ, you now have a groundbreaking new way to measure proficiency in a role.
Right now, the world, with the move to the cloud, it's the single largest shift in the history of computing.
We see a major disruption coming towards human-computer interaction, the way that we all use computers.
The digital revolution is changing companies massively.
You have to have a certain number of products fail because that's part of having an organic process of building technology.
This year's Create the Future winner, Annie Cannons.
Tech creates society. That's us. The future is here. That's happening in this room right now.
Welcome to the future of learning at Pluralsight, where you can apply your knowledge at scale.
It's your commitment to technology and a future technology strategy. You're either setting the pace or trying to keep up.